by and take a look at the 2021 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, dual pane panoramic power sunroof, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, advanced technology package, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.